Hello guys, welcome back. So now in this video tutorial we will add the icon and also that two buttons. So after this sized box we will add a center widget, and inside this center widget we will create a child, and then we will create a loading variable. So the reason we are using the loading variable, so if it is true then we will show the default icon, okay, which is in the assets folder. And if it is false, for example if the user upload an image from a gallery or capture it on a camera, then we will show that image, and also we will show that if it is a cat or dog. So right here on top we will create a bool, and then we will name this as loading, and this will be equals to true. By default it will be equals to true. So if the loading variable is true, then we will show a container, or else we will show another container. If true then show this, and else show this. So if the loading variable is true, then what we will do, first we will create a child right here, and then we will have a column, and inside this column we will have a children, and in the children image dot asset, and right here we will just uh, fetch the default icon. So it's inside the assets folder, so assets slash cats, like this, and then we will add a sized box, and its height will be 50, and right here we will add a width to this container, and the width will be, let's just say, 400. And now let's just test our application, see how the UI looks. So click on the start button. In 1 or 2 minutes the app will be running, so just wait for it. So now the app is running, wait for it. So guys, as you can see right here, we missed the splash screen because I paused the video, but as you can see right here, this is our home.dart file, but we cannot see the text. We need to change the color for that. Okay, so here is the icon is showing perfectly, but we need to just small up its width. Right here we will just add 250. Now let's just hot reload it and wait for it. Here is the splash screen and here is the main screen, but we cannot see the text. We will work on that. So first change the background color. So for that we will just type colors dot blue accent, okay, and then the coding cafe colors will be, let's just say, colors dot white, and also the cats and dog detector app color will be also colors dot white, or you can set which color you want. And also get back to the splash screen, and right here the cats and dogs classifier, its color will be, let's change this to colors dot white, or let's make it yellow accent, okay, like this. And change the loader color to colors dot red accent, like this. So now we change all the colors, okay, and now if we just hot reload our app, as you see right there, this splash screen is looking beautiful, and also the home.dart page is looking beautiful. And now let's move on. So now our app is looking beautiful. Now let's add that two button, one for the gallery and one for the capture. So let's do that. So right here we will just now just forgot that else statement. We will work on this in the future videos. Now we are concentrate on the design, so just leave this for now. So after this center tag we will create a container, and inside this container we will give it a path, and then we will type media query dot of, and then brackets context dot size dot width. So in this way we will get all the device width. So after this container we will create a child right here. So this will be a column, and then this will return a column widget. So inside this we will type children, and as I say, it will return a widget. So, and in here the first child will be the gesture detector. So gesture detector, and then we will set a on tab, and then we will return it empty because we don't need anything right now. So now we're going to set a child. So right here we will type child, and then container, and this container will be of width media query dot of context dot size dot width, and then we will subtract 250 from it. After this we will set a alignment property. So this alignment property will be dot center. Then we will add padding. So padding will be edge insects dot symmetric. Horizontal will be equals to 25, and vertical will be equals to 18. Let's clean up our code so it's look good and we don't get any errors. So now next we will set up the decoration property, and decoration will be box decoration, and we will set the color to colors dot yellow accent. After the color, the border radius will be border radius, and it will be circular, and let's give it 5 or 6. And let's set up this code. Just cut this from there and then paste it right here, because these codes are inside the container. Okay, this main container. First let's set up our code so we don't get any errors as we did right here. So now after this box decoration we will create a child, and inside this child we will add a text property, and inside this text we will type that capture a photo or image. Capture a photo. So this button will be for the capture a photo from your camera. Okay, so now let's give it a style, text style. Whoops, okay, text style, and then inside here we will type color, and then colors dot yellow accent. Let's move this down below like this. Style will be here. Okay, now this looks good. And guys, I forgot this is a text. This will show inside this button that we created up there. So the button all over color is yellow, so the text color should be white. Okay, or else we will not see our text. So now capture a photo button is created. We need to just copy and paste it down below and add a button, something like select from a gallery. Okay, we will select a image from a gallery using that button. So that one is simple. We will just copy and paste this code. But first, right here, after this gesture detector, we will add a sized box, and its height will be, let's just say 15, something like that. Okay, 15. And then we will just copy this gesture detector and then just paste it down below right here. And right here we will type select a photo. So now guys, let's just refresh our application and see all the changes. So we will just hot reload it and let's wait for it. So guys, I make the loading screen a little bit more. I increase its time to 5 seconds, and as you can see right here, this is our home page. Okay, the first one is capture a photo and then select a photo, but the text is a little bit small, so let's just work on our design. Okay, so if we scroll down below, first make this to 15. Okay, the size box height to from 15 to 10. Okay, let's test it out. It should be up here because it is so down. Okay, this looks good. Let's change this to 5 and then refresh it. Okay, and now let's just make this text a little bit bigger, so its color is white. And so let's make its font size to 16. Okay, font size 16, and then just copy this from here. And if we go up here, where is the other button? Right here, just copy paste this here. And also if you see right here, the button is not showing that well. We can't see the text, or the button is very bright, so we will change its color to red accent. Okay, oops, red accent. Okay, and also right here, red accent. And now if we reload our app, now it will looks good. As you can see right here, here is the splash screen and here is the buttons. Now it looks so much beautiful. Also guys, as you can see, there is so much space and the button is very big. So let's change this horizontal from 25 to 15, and also right here let's change the horizontal to from 15 to 10, and also this one too from 15 to 10. And now if we save this, and now as you can see, the button is looking beautiful. So guys, this is it for this video, and see you guys in the next video.